Hey, I'm Charlie. Today we're looking at my Supermoto 450 SX. It started off as just an all original SX. We put a slip-on exhaust on it and obviously did the wheel swap, fender swap, different Brembo master cylinder, and just got it track ready. It's totally different riding this on the track than riding this as a motocross bike. You're not putting your foot down at all. I mean, you can if you're heavy braking coming in and having the rear end come out a little bit. You can put your foot out just for balance, but other than that, it rides really good. It's actually, with the gearing that we did, really good on the track. It pulls really good. It definitely loves to wheelie. And just doing it so it's street legal was super easy. I think the kit comes as a package with a horn, the headlight where you have high-low, tail light configuration, and I believe it even came with the rear fender kit. So you have the light and plate all integrated into the rear fender. And that wasn't that bad to hook up. And it works really good. So I haven't had any issues with the bike at all. We did put different Racetech springs in it and shock spring, and just since it'll handle a lot better. The tires are really good tires. These I just put a new set on, and unfortunately I'm not going to be riding this anytime soon, but these are really good. They heat up pretty quick, and perfect for guys that aren't running tire warmers. So definitely would recommend them. But that's it. Any questions, comments, let us know. This is a quickie, but thought we'd mention this bike at least since we've never talked about it. It's a 2016, and I think I have 13 hours on it total, and it's never seen the dirt. So pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for following. Any questions, comments, let us know below, and I'll definitely reply. And we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.